Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view a password saved for Gmail in Firefox. If this video helps, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's dive in. First, open your Firefox browser on your computer. Next, click on the menu button in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security, then scroll down to Passwords. Click on Saved Password to open Firefox's Password Manager. Now, use the search bar at the top and type Gmail to locate your saved login information. Click on the Gmail entry. To view the password, click the eye icon. You might need to enter your computer's administrator password to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your saved password. Make sure to close the settings when you're done to keep your information secure. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.